Okay, so I'm going to go over how to prompt ChatGPT to create a script for your TikTok video. That's what I've been doing. I've created probably about 25 shop videos right now using this strategy. So there are several things that I require in the video. So I'm going to type those in and you can follow along and I'll say it as I type it. So I need a full script for a 21-second long video of me holding a 3D maze ball and rotating it. I need a hook, verbal and text on the screen, timing for on-screen text. I need a problem and a solution. I need a call to action at the end, verbal and text on screen. I need keywords to put off to the side for SEO purposes. I need a video description using keywords for this shop video. I need hashtags that let me fix that. Hashtags that apply as well. I need cover text and I think that's everything. And timing layout. If you are also providing a script, which you should have, should provide some script to fill the center of the video. All right, got it. So we got a 21-second shop video script, and this is how I'm going to go through and make it. So let's look at this together. So I pre-recorded this. I just took 21 seconds, recorded my hand turning this ball around. And so we have the hook. Verbal, I'm going to record myself saying a voiceover of only 1% of people can actually finish this 3D maze ball. Are you one of them? Then I'm going to put on the screen, only 1% can beat this. Appears instantly and fades at 3 seconds. Ooh, that's a new thing that it gave me. It hasn't done that before. So I'll have to learn something new here because I don't know how to make the text fade. I haven't been messing with those settings. I know they exist, but I haven't messed with them yet. So this will give me something to mess with on that. So it's showing us our timeline as well. Then we're at 3 to 12 seconds. That's our problem, showing the product, verbal and text on screen. So verbal, I'm rotating the ball slowly. I'm going to say most people get frustrated and give up, but it's insanely fun once you get the hang of it. Then I have the on-screen text at 3 seconds. It will say, looks easy, but it's seriously tricky. 7 seconds, I'll change it to keeps kids, parentheses, and adults entertained for hours. Then we're at 12 seconds and 17 seconds. We have the solution, verbal, and text on screen. So I will say, this 3D maze is the perfect way to boost focus, patience, and problem-solving skills. On the screen, it's going to say at 12 seconds, boast few focus plus patience, fun for all ages. At 17 seconds to 21 seconds, we're going to do our call to action. We're at the end of the video. Verbal plus text on screen. Verbal, it's going to say, grab yours today before they're gone. And then on screen text at 17 seconds, I'll put grab yours now, 19 seconds, shop now before it sells out. Then our cover text, when I'm editing the cover image for the video, I'll have to pick the image because chat's not watching the video. It doesn't know. But I'll put this text, only 1% can beat this maze ball. And then on-screen timing, it kind of goes through it. Then these keywords, what I do is I'll put text on the screen. I'll just voice this and read it over to make it quick and easy. 3D maze ball, children's maze toy, puzzle ball, handheld maze challenge, brain teaser game, kids focus toy, patience puzzle, motor skills toy. I'll just read them off, right? And then I'll just take those keywords, and when you're editing the TikTok, it's going to have black on the side of it, and you just scoot those keywords off to the side and it'll pick it up. Now this will be the description. I'm going to read this off. I'm not going to put the emojis in the description. I feel like that's spammy. But I'm going to read this off to my phone to put that in the description, and then one by one add the hashtags because that's the only way I know how. And these are, I guess, additional. I don't know why it gave it that to me. And then it's going to have music background suggestions. And if you're going to do a background music while you're doing the audio, you're going to want to check the volume levels. Lower the volume of the background music, but don't increase the volume of your voice. That's going to get louder on the phone. That's going to sound off-putting. Just keep that normal. I actually lower mine a little bit. And then, let's see. Oh, this is just a mini script. Oh, that's perfect. That's actually perfect. And I'll just read that off. So what I'll do is I'll hit the voiceover at the beginning. I'll read this entire thing off. And then I'll go in and I'll add the text. And I am going to ask it to make one more for me. That concludes this video, though. This is just an example. You know, I've made 25 shop videos. I've gotten about 4,000 views. That's not a lot. But there are things that I've learned that need to be on a video. I mean, this could change as I learn more. I'm definitely going to learn more. The information will change. But I don't think a lot of beginners know how to use AI to make this initial learning phase easier. And I think this is a really great tool to help you figure out how to lay out a video, because I was feeling really chaotic at first on how to do it, and asking ChatGPT for a layout like this, it just makes it so much clearer to think and put it together. And really, this is only going to take me about 15 minutes to do this, maybe less per video. Like, I'm getting quicker as this goes. So definitely give this a try. Go ahead and follow me on YouTube and check me out on TikTok as well. Madeline Rascone. That's all my handles on everything, is just my name. So go ahead and follow me, and I'm going to keep on sharing how I'm making the videos, different tools that you can use, and the whole process of building a platform.